South African government says it's noted the decision handed down by the Zimbabwe Constitutional Court upholding the results of the polls on July the 30th. In a media statement, government has called on all of those involved in the court case to accept the decision in order to work towards lasting peace and unity. Zimbabwe's Constitutional Court earlier declared President Emmerson Mnangagwa the winner of last month's polls. This as the Chief Justice, Malaba, dismissed the opposition's petition challenging those election results. He said MDC Alliance leader Nelson Chamisa failed to prove claims of fraud during the presidential vote. The opposition cited discrepancies, including incorrect counting, it said ghost polling stations, and it also alleged that some polling station ballots exceeded registered voters.
It's not for the court to decide elections. It is the people. It is the duty of the courts to strive in the public interest to sustain that which the people have expressed their will in. Therefore, the application ought to be dismissed. In the result, the following order is made. The application is dismissed with cause in terms of Section 93, subsection 4, subparagraph A of the Constitution. Emmerson Mnangagwa is duly declared the winner of the presidential elections held on the 3rd of July 2018. As indicated, there will be a fully dressed judgment in due course on these issues.
9 judges, led by Chief Justice Malaba, delivered the unanimous verdict. Malaba said the MDC failed to prove beyond reasonable doubt that the elections were poorly conducted and that there was insufficient evidence to prove vote rigging.
Additionally, the court must be satisfied that this breach has affected the results of the election. In other words, an applicant must prove that the entire election process is so fundamentally flawed and so poorly conducted that it cannot be seen to have been conducted in substantial compliance with the law.
There was mixed reaction after the judgment.
We are happy with the result. It reflects what we have always contended, that there was no evidence whatsoever of the alleged malpractices. The duty to establish these alleged malpractices was always on the applicant. We were promised a secret weapon that would be which would be launched at the hearing. That never came. There was absolutely no evidence. And in matters of this nature, what carries the day are facts, and facts are established by evidence. And the court is right in reaching the conclusion that it has reached.
The MDC said it plans to meet on Wednesday to decide on the way forward. The party is not accepting defeat. It still believes the elections were manipulated.
Right now, we still do not know how many votes Mnangagwa managed to gain. Right now, the 16,000 votes admitted by ZEC have still not gone away. Right now, the 40,000 discrepancy between presidential and parliamentary results has still not gone away.
With the court challenge out of the way, the inauguration has to take place within 48 hours. Ndundu Sitole, SABC News.